Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 Honda Civic Sportline. Now of course this is the 1 litre turbo petrol. You do get full LED headlights and daytime running lights. You then also get your LED fog lights as well. You then get these brilliant black 17-inch alloy wheels, of which I will go into each and every one, just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. But coming around to the rear now, you get your rear parking sensors and the reversing camera. This does come as standard on this car, which you can see the reg plate, the camera is just there. Inside of the tailgate, you've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. The seats do fold flat with this level just here. You've also got this brilliant little pull-out privacy shelf, which ensures maximum privacy for any belongings that are kept inside of the tailgate. Then coming back out and around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have your full black leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You'll probably also notice that it does have red stitching in, as this is the Sportline. You've got full electric automatic windows all round, and then coming inside the car, we then have your CVT gearbox in the middle just here. Got your brake hold with electric handbrake. You've got your economy mode and your stop start off just here. We've got dual climate control in the front, which can be operated via the touchscreen display. And then within this display here, we have your satellite navigation. We've then got your various audio sources as well, just across here. And then on top of that, we do also have your Bluetooth hands-free. You can also enable Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Once the phone is plugged in, it will come up with the option just here. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your volume, onboard computer control and voice assistant. You've got your Bluetooth hands-free just here as well. The arrows and the enter button control the onboard computer up top and the infotainment screen. We've then got your adaptive cruise control settings on the right hand side, including your speed limiter with your distance control and lane keep assist. You've got full automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 31,788 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic Sportline, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool's Honda.